What is a living trust? Hi, Rob Thompson here with Thompson Law Firm. And yesterday we talked about what is a trust. And today we're going to expand that a little further and talk about living trust. What is a living trust? Well, a living trust is a type of trust, as you could probably imagine, that is very, very useful for estate planning purposes. Whether you have, a huge estate or a fairly modest estate. Maybe you don't have millions and millions of dollars and you're not worried about estate taxes, but you've got family, you've got children, and you've got people that you care about. Or maybe you've got a situation that is not, straight down the middle of the road. Maybe you've got a blended family. Or maybe you're divorced and you want to make sure that your kids are taken care of and your ex-spouse doesn't get a hold of your assets. Well, many families use living trusts for a variety of circumstances that are not necessarily, just the conventional situation. So in a living trust, we use a revocable trust for this, and that means that while you're alive and you have mental capacity, you can make whatever changes to the trust you want to. And transferring your property to the trust doesn't have any tax consequences while you're alive and healthy. And then it also helps you to avoid probate, because anything you put into the trust is not subject to the probate court's jurisdiction. And if you should become incapacitated or disabled during your lifetime, there are provisions in the trust that provide for how you want your property to be managed. If you've drafted your trust properly, or if you've had an attorney do it for you, just make sure that you have someone do it that knows what they're doing. But it can be very, very useful in a variety of circumstances. And you can also do estate tax planning with a revocable living trust if you need to do that. So there are very, very many uses for revocable living trust. But the basic bottom line is it helps you to avoid probate, keeps your affairs private, and it also provides instructions for your trustee in the case of incapacity. So there you have it. That's Revocable Living Trust in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, or if you want to learn more about basic estate planning concepts, then go ahead and head on over to estateplanblueprint.com and get the Family Estate Plan Guide. And I'll see you next time.